everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha Lynn, aka Naturally Ai, and thanks for tuning in with me. Today we're gonna get into a product review of Annabelle's Perfect Blends Ayurvedic cleansing conditioner. So here is the product right here, and let's just jump right on into it. But before we go anywhere, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and make sure that you check me out on aishalyn.com for more curls and travel. All right guys, so I've got my little notes here. So Annabelle's Perfect Blend is a 100% black owned brand. You can find her on Instagram. I'll link something for you down below here, but you can check her out. She hand makes all of her products. You can see her making the products on her Instagram. Let's see, what else is in my notes? So just to let you guys know, I do have 4A, 4B low porosity hair. If that helps you, if you don't know what that means, I definitely recommend just doing a quick YouTube search to the side and coming right on back to see if this product would work out for you. So let's get into what this product claims to do. Our Ayurvedic cleansing conditioner will gently cleanse your hair without stripping it. It contains a blend of Ayurvedic herbs known for their cleansing and healing powers. So then it just lists a couple of the main herbs that are used: aretha fruit extract, shikakai nut, neem, and bringage. I'll link them for you here or write them out here for you guys, because I don't know if I'm pronouncing them correctly. Conditioner is lightly scented with pink grapefruit fragrance oil. And then it just says to use in conjunction with other available Ayurveda products, including the hair cream, hair mask, and hair oil. Okay, so this product is running for $16 US for a 8-ounce container. The consistency on it, now hopefully you guys can see all up in there. Now, Ayurvedic products, if they don't have any like little pieces, any like little, like if you can't see what they are listing in the ingredients, and then you probably shouldn't be buying it. Ayurvedic, ingredients are meant to have the little grits and the little bits in there. But other than that, in this hair cleansing conditioner, it's very soft. You're not gonna notice it at all once it's actually in your hair. It's got a really smooth, really nice texture. I actually really enjoyed this product because of that. I was a little bit concerned, with all the little bits. Is it gonna get stuck in my hair? Am I gonna notice it? Are people gonna be like, there's something in your hair? No, but I never ever had that problem with this product. It's very rich as far as consistency goes. It's thick, almost like a whipped butter. It's non-greasy, so like a lot of products, you'll be able to see the moisture afterwards. This one you really can't. It's moisturizing on hand, but once it rinses out, it is going to rinse very clean. You're not going to feel greasy, and you're also not going to feel stripped. So it's a really nice combination of both. The scent, very citrusy. That's all I get from this is just citrus. It's nice. It does not linger. So if that's an issue for you, you don't have to worry about it with this product. It is deeply moisturizing. Like, I cannot stress it enough when I put it in my hair. It does not feel like a cleansing conditioner. It does not feel like a co-wash. It feels like I'm just, putting like a thinner deep conditioner on my scalp. But it is cleaning my hair. So that's good. Ingredients, let's jump right into that. I'm only gonna list the first 5 here for you. So water is number 1. Number 2, you have a cocoa matal propyl betaine, which I did look up, which is a synthetic detergent used to condition hair, skin, and increase foaming action. So there's a co-wash, there's absolutely no suds, but it does, have that effect where it is cleansing the scalp. Then we've got some castor oil, some benchimonium methyl sulfite, also known as BTMS, and that is a gentle surfactant made from canola oil, and it just doesn't cause a buildup. Let's see, then we have centrimonium chloride, which is another conditioning agent to improve softness and reduce frizz, and it's good for detangling. So those are the top 5 ingredients: water, detergent, castor oil, another detergent, and a conditioning agent. Who is this product for, right? So this is something that I definitely want to address in my videos going forward. Who is this actually for? I would only recommend this for you if you're looking specifically for other Ayurvedic products. Do you necessarily need it if you're not looking for that? No, honestly, there are plenty of other great conditioners, and for $16 a pop, this is kind of expensive, but again, it is using great quality ingredients, including a list of, I don't even list them, but she does include in here, let's see, the Aretha, the Shikakai, Neem, Brinjai, you know, vitamin B5. She lists all those ingredients in this one product alone. So unless you're specifically looking for something that's like this, you're looking to build your Ayurvedic health system, probably not. It's just a really, you know, it's just another really good cleansing conditioner. And the directions on here, it's a cleansing conditioner, so it's a co-wash. You just wet your hair, you massage it into the scalp as needed, and rinse thoroughly. All right, so the last two things that I'm just gonna go over with you are packaging and, you know, how to get it basically. Packaging, it does come in a really nice, you know, reusable container. Annabelle has gotten way better over the years. I will say, I was following her, I was supporting her when she was using those. They were like really dark blue containers, so I love that she went over to the see-through containers. Of course, there's been a little bit of bleeding on the label, but that's literally no big deal. And I've never ever had an issue with packaging. She ships super quick, and it's always well wrapped and protected. Okay, and you can check her out on Annabelle Perfect Blend, annabellesperfectblend.com. And if you use the Arrive app, or it's now known as the Shop app, she is on, you know, she is listed on there, so you can track your purchases, track your orders using that app. All right, guys, so thank you so much for tuning in with me. Again, make sure that you check out aishalyn.com for the full review on the product, where I list all the ingredients and a little bit more about this product itself. Until next time, guys, stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. I'll tune in with you next time. Bye-bye.